Doing good, I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Donately. Donately is a platform that you can use to create your fundraising or donation form. With Donately, you can get started for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto donately.com. Once on the platform, you're going to tap on sign up free in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you'll be led to this page. On this page, you can choose whether you're a non-profit organization or a profit organization or an individual. For this example, I will select individual. Then you can select I want to fundraise for an organization, or I'm already a donor or fundraiser, or create a new fundraising account. I'm going to select that. Then from here you can select country and you can enter your email address and create a password. Let me do that real quick and then we'll continue with the tutorial. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you can enter your first name and you can enter your last name and your organization name and phone number. After you're finished, you'll scroll down and from here you can toggle on I agree to Donately terms of service. Then tap on continue. We're going to select our organization type before doing that. So I'm going to simply select public benefit. Then I'll tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you can connect your Stripe or PayPal, whichever one of these payment options you would like to receive payment through. Then you can tap on next, but for now, I'm going to tap on skip this step. After tapping on skip this step, you can see the different plans that they offer. So I'm going to be using the free plan, which will include customizable donation forms, donation page, and peer-to-peer fundraising. But you can see that their paid plan starts off at $19 per month and will include discounted platform fee and so on. And it goes up to $69 per month. So we're going to select the free plan, then tap on visit your dashboard. After tapping on visit your dashboard, this is how our dashboard looks at the moment. All you need to do now, you can go over to the left hand menu option. You could tap on forms. After you have tapped on forms, you'll be redirected to this page. And at the moment, you can create a new form, so you could tap on new form, or you could see the sample form that they have created right here. So you could tap on the sample form as you can see right here. This is how it looks at the moment. And you could make changes by simply tapping on the fields and layout at the top of the navigation bar. Then you can go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you can edit each section. So you could tap on donation suggestions and you could change that if you want. And you can scroll down, but you can see to make changes to that you'll need to upgrade. You can also change the donation amount. So instead of it being $100, we could increase it to $1,000. You can scroll down and you can select donor pay fees. You can tap right there and you could also edit that. So you could put a simple percentage or a simple fixed amount. And while making each change, you can see how it looks on the page right here. So you can quickly edit it. If you like to add a form field, you can do that. Or if you like to add an additional step, you can do that. And you can tap on design and copy. And from here, you could change the theme style. So we could select modern. You could also select this option here and you can see how it looks. But I'm going to stick with classic. After you have done that, you can choose the default language if you want. Then from there, you can select post donation. So this is the page they'll be seen after giving a donation. So you can scroll down and from here, you'll be able to edit it. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish form in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on publish form, you can tap on copy link. Now that we have copied our link, if I were to paste it in a new tab, you can see how it looks. So at the moment, this is how our form looks, as you can see right here. Now, if we were to go back, let's say, for example, I were to go back and tap on edit. From here, if I were to tap on fields and layout, If you would like to change the donation amount, you can do that. If you would like to allow persons to add a custom placeholder value, so they'll be able to set the amount they want to donate, you can do that. You can also choose to lock the field if you want. Now also on this page, if we were to go over to the left hand menu option, you can select donors at the top right here, and you'll be able to see the donors. You can also zone down and search by state or zip code. You can also tap on recurring plans, and from here, if you would like to create a recurring plan, you can do that by tapping on new in the top right hand corner. And from here, you can see recurring frequency. You could set that up, and you can also set up the amount that you would like to receive. Once you have done that, you can tap on create donation, and you'll be able to share it. You can view all the campaigns you have created by tapping on campaigns, and from here you'll be able to view the campaigns and the amount that you have collected. You can also tap on fundraisers, and from here you will be able to view your fundraisers and you'll be able to export them. And that's about it when it comes on to Donately. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.